soda pop.
Hi, hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is Panic. Rah! And today we are attempting to do Gina's makeup with medical face tape, by the way. I apologize, that's all I had. We improvise in this house. But yeah, we're attempting to do Gina's makeup from Kpop Demon Hunter with what we got. Let's start with a clean base, clean our faces. This is my cleanser, by the way. But yeah, a good clean base, it's a good makeup base. And then I use my serum. I'm currently using this one. You can use my code if you want. Yeah, that's right. I really like this one. It's sticky, it's nice. It kind of works like a primer in my opinion, but still, pretty good. By the way, I use different products from different companies depending on the video. Not because you have to, but because I have like a collaboration sometimes. And here's me lowering Stephanie's suit so I can concentrate a little bit better. But just use what you have. Rub it in as long as it works and it's good. Don't overconsume. And as you can see, I'm literally using medical tape instead of buying face tape. So just use what you have and don't worry about it too much. And here's me holding face tape with headphones. Here you have a little trick. Even though it doesn't completely lift, as you can see, and here's me complaining about it. And just wait for it to dry. Oh yeah, primer time, that's right, man primer, we are back at it again. I'm not a man, but in some of my old accounts I still have the identification of a man, so when I receive blind boxes and stuff like that, it's man product. So as you can see, we rub it in, we use what we got. And don't forget your neck, where the cuts are. And when you're putting product, try to hold the face tape in place. Next, spot concealing. That's right, we are back. You already know the drill. Green is for red parts, violet is for darker parts. So I put green on my cuts and violet on my mustache, as you can see. And if you have orange on the under eyes, I don't have it. So we're using what we got and just blend it in. I'm using my fingers because I have some creases underneath my eyes. And turns out, I don't know why, but the finger doesn't crease as much. There you have it. Back to old school, I guess. It's not yet time to use the base, so hold on. We first, oh god, the contour. I forgot I kept this in. It's time to contour first. I contour on the sides of my face, in my nose, my eyes, forehead. Yeah, trust. It like gives it more like a less wide face, I guess. Cinnamon roll was getting tortured that day. I'm so sorry, cinnamon roll. And then I do the V parts of my face, trying to make it less wide. My neck and underneath my neck. Don't forget that. Gulp. And also I add these two dots on my nose. When you blend it, it kind of looks like an arcane character. I'm maybe too. I don't know. I just like to have fun with makeup, honestly. I don't know what I'm doing. At this point, I would then use the mist so I could blend it better, but the mist is in my university room, so we just gotta bunk it away. Blush time, that's right. I use lipstick as blush because I find that it holds longer. I use it in my cheeks, nose, and chin. And pretty much I blend it in, and it holds longer than normal blush, in my opinion. Like, as someone that sweats a lot, my makeup tends to melt away. So, you know. And then it's time for base. Yeah, finally. I use this Kiko one. I've been using literally since my prom high school. It works. And again, we go with another cream contour and just do the same pretty much shape, but this time with this creamy contour. Again, I pile up makeup because, once again, I sweat and shit melts, face tape gets off. It's very annoying, but that's the price I have to pay for testosterone. Yeah, I guess. That's okay. I then, again, so my makeup, when it melts, still is noticeable. I go with this eyeliner, that's technically for eyes, and I contour my nose. Both eye products. I hold it and then just scrape away. It works, honestly. I think my nose looks more thin, less potato. That's the desired look. I look so dead, I'm sorry. And then once again, contour. Yeah, don't question it. And just blend it in, same shape. This time instead of cream contour is powder contour. And since we're locking in the makeup after, I already do my eyebrows. I'm using a black pencil, and somehow the ginger is still coming through. Please help me. The only way I find it to work is to use literally black eyeshadow. As you can see, I'm desperate. I can still see the ginger. I'm not going insane, am I? Oh, okay, blue still wanna be... it's eyeshadow time. I'm gonna be using this very old eyeshadow I have, and I'm gonna be mixing the brown color with the reddish color. I pretty much start soft, and then I start to pile up the color depending on what I'm trying to do. Unfortunately, because of my eye shape, unless I'm opening my eye fully, the color gets eaten away. Plus, we are also going for a natural look, as we say, because Jinu is not very cartoonish. I also, with the same color, do this agio part. I already have it pretty naturally, but still, I try to bring it more to the surface, I guess. And with the same mixture of red and brown, I also again contour my nose. I'm gonna be using the brown eyeliner of Essence, because we are trying to go for a natural look, as I said, and I just try to follow my natural... Oh, I fucked it up over there. Here's me complaining. I try to follow my natural lash line and my natural eye shape. I fucked it up again, don't worry, we improvise. It works. Now, if you don't have eyelash glue, by the way, here's a quick tip. I use hairspray and wait for it to get tacky. I was gonna use a brown pencil eyeliner, but I don't know, it ran out, I guess, and so I'm using black, and I'm gonna fill in the inner corner of the lashes, the lower lash too, but as you can see, I'm just only going up to the middle. I'm leaving the middle part empty. Repeat on the other side, exact same thing. If you have brown eyeliner, even better. It's less drastic, in my opinion, as you can see. And then the inner corner, we are going to go with white, so it pops out the color. And I'm also going to use the white eyeliner on the hehe part, so it's more prominent, I guess. Then with this big stick white thingy, I'm gonna highlight the corners and clean up that makeup I fucked up. It's a trick. Instead of going like with a tissue, you just pull this shit and it works, in my opinion. Yeah, we are done in the eyes. But you know what's not done with us? Fucking face tape, that's right! This is gonna be a problem for the next couple of videos, by the way. And then, with a little brush, we are going to contour my dimple part and my lips. It's adding the little shadows and the corners of my mouth, so my mouth looks smaller. You can leave it like that, but I will have to clean it up because I don't like the cracks, the sensory issues on my part. And I will go with this liquid lipstick that my friend Andrea gave it to me. It's very nude, I like it. And finally, the last step, I highlight some parts of my face. That under eye part, it's just a normal one, just a random highlighter you have. And then the cupid's bow on my lips. And finally, to lock it in, powder time. And then with the magic of a crusty Roblox wig, we have Jinu. It's a very simple makeup look, and if you had a hat, it's straight up Caleb, I guess. Oh, you thought it was over? It's never over! The face tape hell. I'm stuck in face tape hell. I'm back to the Jinu's demon form, and I'm going insane. Anyways, we power through it. It's okay. As you can see, clearly completely fine mentally. It was almost 2 AM when I started to do Jinu's demon form, and I decided to sacrifice my only good blender and my, I don't know, dignity. So I decided to go with a white base because at the time I thought he was purple, and just blend that white base and contemplate why you have the skin
of a killer.
And then I go with face paint, and I'm gonna sacrifice this purple part and just go apeshit. Do a little mustache, you know? Be creative. Hang out, motherfucker. And as you can see, I was clearly losing my mind. And I started to cut the wig. This is Ivan's wig, by the way. You can see me contemplating how I'm gonna take the makeup off, and I just try to add the shadows, cut more wig. And then I go with my matrix palette, use the purple that's in there, and I'm gonna use it as contour. Same contour we did with the normal contour, we do it with the purple one. And just add it on cheeks, eyelids, nose, and with a darker purple mixed with black, we're gonna try to recreate the same smoky eye. Try. I really was trying. Detail part. I always add dots on my face, so I do them in black. And the final step, I sacrifice my Abacchio lipstick and draw the demon parts on face and arms. Congrats, you did it, you survived another cosplay. We reached the end of the video. Say hi to Pitufa. It was a very simple makeup look because in my mind, the character of Jinu is more realistic and less cartoonish. I prefer more cartoonish makeup like I do for my ancient characters. It gives me more creative liberties. But yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you have a good day and off I go. Bye bye. See you all around.